Welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you a radio from Temu. Temu, yes. You know what I mean. I needed a new radio for my car, so just give it a try. I know Temu is very controversial the last couple of weeks or months, but yeah, I will try. I ordered it about a week ago, so very fast delivery. The radio comes with a manual, 2 remote controls, extra cables and a mic for your telephone. I ordered the version without a backup camera because I don't need it. Because my car didn't have a lot of space in the dashboard, I ordered a small one. I didn't want to have a big screen or something. So this is okay. The ad on Temu says it comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So let's take a look. I'm not a car audio specialist, but for the price I pay, it looks okay. It's a nice radio. But I love music, so a good stereo is a must-have. It's not too big, as you can see. It's a short radio, so it will fit, I think. So, first take out the old radio. My cassette deck. Yeah, nice, old school. I'm glad the old owner didn't make a mess of the wires. So I didn't need the wires which comes with the radio. It was plug and play, but when I was driving, the screen flipped out. It was stop reversing, start reversing, so let's take a look at the manual. I decided to take out the blue wire. Then it was perfect, as you can see. I can't let you listen to the music because of copyright, but trust me, it sounds okay. The screen is very clear and you have a lot of options to choose, but I will stick to Android Auto. It's very easily to connect with your phone. It comes standard with YouTube Music, Google Maps, and you can mirror your phone on the screen of the radio. So you can watch movies, pictures or music what you have on your telephone. It fits nicely in my Golf dashboard and I still can use my heated fans. So yeah, I'm happy with it, really happy. So let's take off the screen protector and let's have some fun times with some modern electronics in my old school Golf. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment or subscribe. You really help me a lot when you're subscribing. Bye bye.